Alright, so I've gone a step further to reveal the starter relay. It's actually very simple. I'm actually very surprised. Last time I dug into one of these in the early 2014, and I was working on a 90 Sea-Doo, so that's probably why, but that son of a bitch was packed with shit. So anyway, going off of my suspicion that that is the problem, I'm going to show you guys real quick how to test that theory. Take a good pair of pliers, okay, open them just enough so you can divide the gap. See if I can do this on camera, and listen. And that's how you figure out if it's a bad starter relay. Now, if you did that and it started right up, or attempted to start like what I had happen, then it's definitely a relay. So I'll tell the customer they need a new one. I just looked on Amazon. They're not very expensive. I think we can probably get this done for about 30 to 40 bucks. Stay tuned on the Waverunner.